Hi guys, hope all of you are doing well. Today I want to talk about the pothos plant. This is the most commonly available plant in your nearest nursery. Now I have four varieties in front of me. This is the neon pothos with neon green colored leaves. This is the common golden pothos, which is widely available everywhere and is the most easiest to grow. This is Enjoy or Marble Prince with its white and green variegation, and this is the Marble Queen with predominantly white leaves. Now, the thing to know about pothos is that it will maintain its color, the color that it originally has, only if it is placed in bright light. If the lighting is low, the leaves will start turning green. That is because the plant wants to store more chlorophyll to be able to grow in low light conditions, and hence will lose all of its beautiful color. Marble Queen that I've placed here is also losing its color because this is an area where it doesn't get enough light. I will also show you a Marble Queen that I've placed in extremely bright light and the beautiful color that it has. The Enjoy or the Marble Prince can actually do well enough in the same low light condition that the Marble Queen can't do in. So the Marble Queen is turning green, but the Marble Prince is doing okay. Right? He's actually doing extremely well. See? I want to talk about the Marble Queen for a minute. This is a variety of pothos with white and green leaves. Now, this plant, if taken care of properly, should be mostly white and not predominantly green. Now, if it is turning green, that means that it is not getting the light that it requires to maintain its color. This plant will grow a little slowly because, for obvious reasons, it has less chlorophyll and chlorophyll is needed for growth. But as you can see, my plant is turning a little more green than I would like it to. This is sitting in a west facing balcony and does get a little bit of evening sun, but probably doesn't get enough sun to maintain its pure white color. So while it does have the marble-like finish, see, okay, this is not a pothos leaf, it is a bonus plant that has just grown in the same pot and I made to separate it. See how the leaves are white at the top here, probably because it gets more light, and at the back side the leaves are turning green because lack of light. The plant starts storing chlorophyll so it can grow, and this is how it looks. So if you place it in full bright light, it will be more white than it is green. This is the golden pothos. While it is not golden looking, that's the name it has. It's the most common available variety of pothos. Now I've placed this indoors, although near a window, but it doesn't get enough light to maintain its yellowish color and the variegation, the mild variegation that it does have, right? That's because since this plant is in low light, the leaves want to store more chlorophyll and hence turn dark green. Now I'm not worried about this plant because this is where I want it to be, and I'm okay with it losing its color because it's growing healthy and it's looking full and beautiful. This is the most easily maintainable pothos variety. It will not die on you. It is very hardy. It can tolerate extremely low lights, and even the water, if you've not watered it for a while or overwatered it by a little, it will still tolerate that condition. So if you are a newbie, this is the plant that I suggest you start with. This, my friends, is my neon pothos. See the neonish green color. Now this plant was dormant for a while, about 6-7 months. It didn't show any growth, but now you can see new shoots coming out. It needs bright light to maintain its color. So if you place it in a well-lit area, it will keep its glowing light green neonish color. But if you placed it in low light conditions, it is going to turn darker green and lose the shine that the leaves have. Now the older leaves will turn a little yellowish, nothing to worry there, and the younger leaves will be a little more lighter green in color.